Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to English Pronunciation Practice. I am Emma, and today we will train the sound the schwa.
Hi, I am Nexo. I am ready to listen, repeat, and speak with more confidence.
Great energy, Nexo. This sound is very common in English, so let us practice it clearly and slowly.
Perfect. I will follow your rhythm, Emma.
First, I will show you the structure of today's lesson.
Nice. I like knowing what comes next.
Part 1 is words. Listen to each word and repeat it carefully. Part 2 is phrases. Listen to short phrases and notice the sound in real speech. The goal is not speed. The goal is clear listening and clear pronunciation.
I am ready. Slow, clear, and focused.
Excellent. Let us begin with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Banana. Banana. Sofa. Sofa. Camera. Camera.
Pizza. Pizza. Panda. Panda.
Zebra. Zebra. Elephant. Elephant. Carrot. Carrot. Lemon. Lemon. Melon. Melon. Button. Button. Ribbon. Ribbon. Pencil. Pencil. Bottle. Bottle. Table. Table. Castle. Castle. Jacket. Jacket. Salad. Salad. Phrases.
Great job completing the words section. Listening to as much English as possible is very important.
I can feel it helping already. The sound is becoming easier to hear.
Now, in phrases, listen carefully to short sentences so your ears get used to the sounds of English.
Banana. Banana. The banana is yellow. The banana is yellow. Sofa. Sofa. The sofa is blue. The sofa is blue. Camera. Camera. The camera is new. The camera is new.
Pizza. Pizza.
The pizza is hot. The pizza is hot.
Panda. Panda.
The panda is cute. The panda is cute. Zebra. Zebra. The zebra runs fast. The zebra runs fast. Elephant. Elephant. An elephant is big. An elephant is big. Carrot. Carrot. The carrot is orange. The carrot is orange. Lemon. Lemon. The lemon is sour. The lemon is sour. Melon. Melon. The melon is sweet. The melon is sweet. Button. Button. The button is red. The button is red. Ribbon. Ribbon. The ribbon is pink. The ribbon is pink. Pencil. Pencil. The pencil is sharp. The pencil is sharp. Bottle. Bottle. The bottle is full. The bottle is full. Table. Table. The table is clean. The table is clean. Castle. Castle. The castle is tall. The castle is tall. Jacket. Jacket. The jacket is warm. The jacket is warm. Salad. Salad. The salad is fresh. The salad is fresh.
Good job. You and Nexo finished today's pronunciation lesson.
Yes. I trained my ears and my mouth.
Wonderful work. Keep listening, keep practicing, and see you in the next class.